Okay. Hey. So.
He rolled out of
Right
range
now,
anyway.
I'm playing RoCitizens. I need to go get my car. Okay. So my car just spawned.
Woo!
Super great.
Woo! I killed your gyro.
I need to like spawn my house.
I'm at 69%. You can't beat
all that stuff.
No!
My brother's so loud. Oh my gosh. He's playing something with his friends, but he's being really loud, so just ignore that. I need to go.
I barely did anything.
Spawn my house.
You've obviously. Have you seen me play Venus?
Okay.
That wasn't even what I meant to do.
I'm probably not gonna do like any like roleplay or whatever. I'm just gonna chill out, maybe get some money. Oh wait. Oh wait, no, I still have like another hour to collect that one. Let me go check. I made an investment earlier for 4 hours, I think, to get $5,000. Oh gosh, okay. So let's go check that out. My brother's really loud.
I blame the lag.
And yeah, so I will see you guys when we go. Okay, so we just got here. So let's run in here and see what we got. Like to manage my investments. 2 more hours. Oh yeah, it was like 1 o'clock when I did it. So let's go. I think I want to go get a job.
Was that Rob Jab? Rob Shield?
I will be back after I go.
Oh!
Okay, so I still haven't gone to work, but I need to go get gas. Oh, lightning. Oh, there's some thunder. Oh my gosh, okay, I literally cannot do this today. And afterwards, I might get a car wash. Okay, yay, okay. My car is rolling away.
What?
So that is doing that. I need to go home and change before I go to work. Can I get a gumball? No, I can't. Darn it. Okay, let's do a red slushie. I think I still have a blue one in my inventory because I never drink it. F. Okay, slushie has been added to your inventory. Okay. So I think we're good on gas. Let me just look real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I broke it. I need to back up. Oh my gosh, I feel bad. I'm gonna go pay this dude. Okay, I'll see you guys real quick. I'm gonna go pay this dude. Okay, so I just paid this guy and it just stopped raining. Oh my gosh, today's stressful.
See that on my...
Heck. And oh wait, I thought I was gonna get a car wash.
Never saw it.
I just tapped this person's car, now she's gonna kill me. She's got a rich person car. I have a rich looking house, but not cars, so.
Who would have thought?
Okay, so we're gonna work here at Nomburger.
I stand a small chance.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we need to get all caught up. So let's start putting patties down and doing stuff like that so we can get all caught up on burgers. Oh, we'll just leave that there because we can use it later. We can use it right now, actually.
No!
Oh my gosh, my packages. Okay, we got that. Okay.
This is really close now.
So I'm gonna like make everything at the same time, or make everything and then just like put it in at the same time. So that's just how I do stuff.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
So you just need one fry.
Woo!
Okay.
No! That was actually like really close at the end.
Do I even need this type of burger?
I did the input for a counter too. I was like, yes, I'm gonna counter, and then it just didn't.
Okay.
Dude, I was so mad, dude. I was so angry, dude. I was like,
I don't know
yes,
what this
I got this. This will be easy. Easy counter, and I win. And then he just didn't.
4 regular cheeses.
Yeah, I was planning on it. Is that Joker? Woo! Is that least powerful character canonically? No, that's Olimar. No, that's also Joker.
Oh my gosh, my brother is so loud!
I'm saying,
Okay,
but that's
so
not their actual
that's
power. That's just his power in a world that doesn't even exist.
Let's fry,
That's like saying I'm strong because I'm... That's because...
Turner, do you have to yell?
Yes. That's like saying I'm strong because I made a powerful video game character. That's not how it works.
Let's add some of these on there.
Is that arson?
3 regular burgers.
Oh, that's what I thought. Arson does not exist. He has wings. Imagine having the DLC fighter.
Okay.
So hey, I have Sans, okay? That's DLC.
Okay. So, okay,
And away he
good on
goes.
that. We need to add more patties.
Well, you thrusted his face. That's kind of weird. No gyro combos.
Okay, so what do we need now?
Everyone's favorite move.
7 deluxe.
I straight up thought he was gonna die.
2,
I was like, yep,
3, 4, 5, 6,
Down
7.
That was the wrong direction. Who would have thought that a person... Who would have thought somebody playing as Joker would use forward smash?
I don't even know what my brother's talking about. Oh, poo. Okay.
Out yet. Gun. By arson.
Okay. I will see you after I'm done with all of these burgers. So I just left my shift. Cut.
I have returned.
Yeah.
Is that Find Me medley? Is that Lucas? Oh.
So it's done working. I got around $1,000, I think. I don't know. My mom got me hot fries while she was at Walmart, so now I'm happy. Because my allergies are going insane. Also, I just love spicy foods.
Is that one of the best
yeah.
in the game? I don't like Lucas's PK file. I think Ness's is better. Freeze.
Oh my gosh, what did I just do?
Aww. Imagine if you didn't make it, Vanessa. I would have cried.
Took me a while to back into my garage. Or, not garage. driveway.
Love lag.
But yeah.
Makes the game more
Oh.
interesting. And it also makes me hate playing the game.
Literally,
Who would have
so
thought
all
this
I've done is
game
really work.
was the driveway? As playing abroad?
Because I do need some more money and stuff like that, so
No, we didn't.
that's probably all it's gonna be in this video. So, yeah,
Ooh,
thanks for watching.
that was a good read, man.
Peace. And I will see you guys in the next video.